How's it going, everybody? It is MrBlack back here, and I wanted to go with part 2 of the Craigslist ClickBank affiliate thing. I just wanted to show you guys. So this is part 2, the little hacks, and here we go. Besides the template is, sorry, my squeaky chair, is this called Gmass. You can pay for it. You don't have to pay for it. Well, you basically have to pay for it. But, and I was going to try to find some affiliate link or something like that, but they don't have one. I looked, I tried to find a discount code for it. There's nothing. It's just, this is our software. This is what it is. And there you go. But Gmass. So if you go to Gmass, there you go. Gmass is what we're going to be looking at. Basically, you put in a ton of emails here, and it will do semi-automated sending out of all of them from the account. And it will boom, 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 just like it's doing right there. Just shoot them all off. The only thing is sometimes they get labeled as spam, so I would do this if you pay for it. So let's see here. You go to the pricing. So the pricing of it is not something that I would probably do. If you wanted to do this once just to see how it works, I would just go with the minimum one because it gives you, it leaves a footer. You don't have a follow-up email. The follow-up emails are kind of nice. They're kind of like email reminders and send them out to people, but you don't really have to have that. All this other stuff, unlimited use, things like that. So I would just go for the minimum because it's monthly, and I probably not want to use it monthly if you're just checking this out. So minimum at most, and that's where you can go from there. After you're done, you're going to click on it'll link you to the account. It'll basically just go to your Google account, say link to this one. That's what you're doing. I think there's I kind of figured out how to set it up. I just next, did it, and it was easy. So when you're done, you go to Gmass. You can click this to send it, or you can click this little side button, which gives you more options. The thing that I would probably do would be to change it to send as replies, so it doesn't send any to the people that replied. And then under schedule, you can schedule it now, you can schedule 3 hours, you can schedule whatever. And then you can set amount per day. So like when I was saying, if you have 400 emails you want to send out, you can get a list, go through there, get the list. I mean, if you really want to categorize everything, you'd probably want to get the list and some of the names, things like that. Put it in a text document, and then you can kind of transfer it over to here and go from there. But on this section, you can just say, I only want 400 sent out a day. Pause a few seconds between emails so it doesn't look like crappy spam that's going out, depending on, because it is going to one specific server to get funneled out to whoever is hitting it. So it could get hit as spam. I have mine basically staged just like this. I have them set in hundreds. So only 100 go out a day. So I have like multiple little campaigns going out, but they're all hundreds a day. They're not like 400 a day, stuff like that. And they do wait. You can repeat daily, hourly, weekly. I don't really mess with that. I haven't tried it, didn't want to mess with it, so I left it alone. But, and then you can do a follow-up where you can put, just making sure you saw this, second follow-up, third follow-up, things like that. So like, it's almost like an email autoresponder to make money, basically. Hey, I thought you might want to know about this. Boom. Something, here's that link. Boom. Hopefully you checked out that link, but if not, here it is. Hopefully you made you some money, things like that. Boom. 8 hours, 8 days, 11 days. Keep sending them out. I mean, more than likely they're probably going to click on the link and try to do something after you're sending them links for 5 different follow-ups. So, but yeah, that is pretty much the entire thing. But if you have the whole list, So like I will show you a list that I have if it's loaded. Sorry, it's in the middle of my screen. So this is a list from Sublime. Not Sublime. This is my Sublime text. There's about 2,000, 3,000, yeah, 3,900. So it's about 3,900 in this list from one of the campaigns that I'm doing. So there's a lot in here. Try to pause it and copy all these out real quick. I know you want to. But, yeah. So there's a ton in there. You can do... Let me bring that back up real quick here. Let's say you want to copy some of these. So let's do this. Let's just copy them all real quick. Well, not all of them, because it only does, I think, 4,000. It gave me a limit when I was doing this. And it kind of like made me a little upset that I found out I hit a limit. But let's do this. Let's do that. Copy them out. Paste. Boom. It's thinking. It's putting them all in there. You click down here. There you go. 643. Right? So it's sending out to 643 of these. And it will send out as individual emails. Usually when you send out something like this in Gmail, it will chain it and have all the other emails associated to it. This apparently takes that out and sends them out as one email. So it doesn't look like you just got sent to a big spam list. As far as I know, that's what it's been doing. It's working when I did it. So after that, you just do send. And see at the bottom it says click this instead of the send button for an individual email. There you go. You can do other follow-up stuff with like the name, with templates and things like that, variable fields. If you really want to, there's a couple extra features to do this, but keep it simple. Don't really go that far in depth. I just made a couple different campaigns like this one and blasted them out. Told it to wait a certain amount of days and went from there. So yeah, hopefully if you enjoyed it, so yeah, hopefully if you got some knowledge off of this, and hopefully you can go from what I've done, that will help you with your ideas and making money on the internet. One other side semi-ultra hack that you could do would be, while wait for it, hire a freelancer to do this. Could help. Or do what I did and get some automation. I got a script to be written to do some of this for me. And if I can show you the script. Nope, I can't show you the script. Anyways, the script does the automation for me. It will go through Craigslist. It's currently searching Craigslist's entire database throughout the US right now. I have about 37,000 emails from it, and it's been running for about a week or so, and I think it's pretty constant right now as what it's finding. And it's just kind of looping, finding new ones, finding old ones, because they only last for 30 days. So you only have 30 days on Craigslist to have a post before they take it down, especially in the resume section, which is something new that I found out also. So some of them are new, some of them are old, some of them are just taken down, and then they don't link nowhere, so you kind of have to keep the list fresh. So, yeah, you could do that, which if you really want to, give me a comment. I'll see if I can possibly get you a copy of the script for a fee, because it did take some customization with about 2 different people to get this working. And if you know a little bit about Linux, that'll even help you about more. But it's basically you set it and forget it, check the list later on, and there's about a couple thousand more later on. So you can just go through those. And that's what I've been doing. So, there you go. It is Mr. Black BlackBeard here. starting to turn a little bit of the, apparently what they call wisdom. So if you have any comments, questions, dislikes, likes, whatever, post it down below. And remember to smash that like button. Just destroy it, because I kind of gave you something that you like to see. Making money, not hard. It just takes some time. You got to kind of think out the box on certain things. And yeah, go from there and see how you go. Oh yeah, notification bell. Hit that too. I'm always forgetting these. I just need like a checklist, like, you know. Anyways, hopefully you like it, and I should have more little hacks and things on how to help you get money, or what I found helps or doesn't help, or what I've been going through, what I've tested, or what has worked and what's been failing for me, so you don't have to do that and waste your money like I did. Alrighty, so I hope you enjoyed the little two-part episode on the Craigslist part there. It was getting kind of long, the first one, so I decided just to kind of break it up and make it two different ones. So hopefully you liked everything, get any information you can from it, learn, you know, kind of grow, think outside the box, and make yourself some money. Meal prep going off there. So yeah, you know, kind of getting healthy. But yeah, if you had any other questions, let me know. There you go. Hopefully you learned a lot, and we can go from there. And if you needed any of the emails, let me know, because I have that script running constantly right now, and it's getting a couple hundred every day. So let me know, and I'll let you get a crack at those for just a small fee of hitting the like button, subscribe, notification, comment, everything, and maybe just a small donation. All right. Have a good one. Peace.